So at this point, you should already have your whole image done. You should already have your questions and your answers done. And this is going to show you how to do the conditional formatting. So there's several different ways to do this. I'm going to show you what I think is the most simple way. But if you're looking for something a little bit more intricate, I can help you out with that as well. Just let me know. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to select the cells that you want to change. You can select a block of cells, you can select random cells all over the board, but for each conditional rule we put in, we're only going to change one color at a time. So suppose that I wanted a bunch of cells to show up on this little red dude. I'm going to select, I'm holding down the control button because I'm using a PC. If you're using a Mac, you want to hold down command and select these cells, and then I'll make his little backpack show up too. Okay, once I have that done, you're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Up here are all the cells you just selected. Okay, AH7, you can come, oh look, that was this one. No, that was this one up here. All right. AK7, that would be this cell right here. So we've selected a whole bunch of different cells in this guy. And now we need to say, when do I want it to show up? Well, I want to show up when this block says it's equal to 4. So when 4 is typed in this box here, those cells should turn red. So the way you do this is you go down to Custom Formula. And the custom formula is that we want that cell, that block, to equal 4. So we're going to say when, put an equal sign, and what cell are we looking at? Well, this is cell K3. So in Excel or in Sheets, the way you hold a cell constant is you put, a dollar sign in front of it. So we put $K, $3. And you can see that all my boxes I had highlighted just turned to green. That's because that's what it tells it to do right here. It says when $K, $3 exists, turn it green. But we don't want it to turn green all the time. We want it to change when that block is equal to 4. As long as this cell is equal to 4, it should change. I don't want it to change green. We already decided my little dude is going to be red. So you say that. Now, before you click done, before you do anything, go back and change all these cells to be white. I know that sounds silly because we just wanted them to be red, but go up to the paint bucket and change them to be white. Bear with me, I will tell you why. Click done. And then watch, if I delete the 4 from here, they will be white. If I put the 4 back in, they turn red. But this way, I can keep track of which cells I've already done so that I don't accidentally do the same cell twice. All right, now we're going to do one that is a text answer, not a number. So let's say for this one, I want the letters to pop up. So I'm going to hold down the control button and click all these cells. Maybe I just want the 2U's to pop up. Whatever it is that you would like. You can choose as many or as few cells as you want. Like I said, they just need to be the same color. Format. Conditional formatting. Again, we're going to go all the way down to Custom Formula. And here, my cell is now K5. I name it by the top corner of the cell, so K5. So equals $K, $5. When it's text, you have to put it in quotations, like a double quotation. So I hit Shift and then the apostrophe button, and I'm going to type in my answer just exactly as it's spelled. If you do it correctly, it will change colors here. I didn't want it to be that. I wanted it to be bright green. Before I save it, I'm going to change them to be white and hit done. Now if I delete my answer, they turn white. And I know I don't need to highlight those cells anymore. So what is 2 plus 2? It's 4. There comes my little dude. How do you spell my last name? S-C-H-U-T-Z. Boom. Okay. So you can test your formatting here by deleting your answers and putting back your answers and making sure that they appear like you want them to. But once you formatted an area, I like to leave it blank because that way you know you don't need to reformat it again. Okay. All right, if you have questions, let me know.